1 glass a day for 30 days. Can it really change your life? Here's the truth about celery juice. You know, celery juice has been gaining popularity lately, and for good reason. More and more people are discovering its amazing benefits, and I'm excited to dive into some of the most unexpected ones today. Drinking celery juice regularly has gained a reputation for its detoxifying effects, but it's not about some dramatic, flush, or overnight cleanse. Instead, the juice acts as a gentle supporter of the body's natural detox systems. With its high water content, celery juice helps you stay well hydrated, which is crucial for keeping the kidneys and liver functioning smoothly. These organs are the true workhorses behind detoxification, filtering waste and toxins from the body. The juice also acts as a natural diuretic, which may encourage the elimination of excess water and waste through urine, providing a subtle boost to the body's cleansing processes. It's not a miracle drink, but for many, it can be a small step toward feeling lighter and more balanced. Another point in favor of celery juice is its alkalizing properties. Our diets today often lean toward being highly acidic due to processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess meat consumption. This can disrupt the body's natural pH balance over time. Celery juice, with its alkaline minerals like magnesium and calcium, can help counteract some of this acidity. By promoting a more alkaline environment, the body may find it easier to maintain energy levels, support bone health, and even aid in reducing inflammation. While it's not a standalone solution to alkalizing the body, adding a daily glass of celery juice can be a useful addition to a diet that aims to achieve a better pH balance. Celery juice contains natural compounds that have been studied for their potential antithrombotic effects, which means they could help reduce the formation of blood clots. One of the key components believed to contribute to this is a compound called PHT halide, which is also known for its role in lowering blood pressure. This compound, along with other bioactive substances found in celery, may help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, which can be beneficial in reducing the risk of clots forming within the arteries. Polyphenols in celery juice are a fascinating topic because they bring a range of potential health benefits to the table. These naturally occurring compounds are known for their antioxidant properties, meaning they help combat oxidative stress in the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This can be particularly important in protecting cells from damage, which is linked to various chronic diseases. In addition to their antioxidant capabilities, polyphenols also play a role in reducing inflammation. By modulating the body's inflammatory response, they can help lower the risk of conditions such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. This anti-inflammatory effect is one reason why many people turn to foods and drinks rich in polyphenols as part of their wellness routines. Moreover, polyphenols have been shown to support cardiovascular health. They can improve blood circulation and help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. By promoting better blood flow, they contribute to overall heart health and may reduce the risk of thrombotic events, where blood clots can form and lead to serious health issues. Additionally, celery contains a variety of antioxidants, including flavonoids, that play a role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation in the blood vessels can contribute to the aggregation of platelets, which is a step in the clotting process. By lowering inflammation, these antioxidants may help keep the blood flowing more freely and decrease the likelihood of a clot-related issue such as thrombosis. It's important to note, however, that while these components in celery juice can support cardiovascular health, they are not a replacement for medical treatments or lifestyle changes recommended to prevent or manage thrombosis. The juice might serve as a complementary addition to a diet aimed at supporting heart health, but it works best as part of a broader approach that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and other healthy habits. Celery juice is remarkably nutrient-rich, offering a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. These nutrients play vital roles in immune function, bone health, and cellular repair, making celery juice a valuable addition to a balanced diet. When it comes to the science behind celery juice, understanding its nutritional makeup is crucial. The juice of this humble vegetable is rich in key nutrients that play significant roles in supporting overall health. Vitamins like K and C stand out, with vitamin K aiding in blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin C functions as a powerful antioxidant that bolsters the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, the potassium found in celery juice supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, while folate is important for DNA synthesis and repair, making it vital for cell growth. Scientific research provides further support for some of these health claims. For example, studies have shown that the anti-inflammatory properties of celery are largely attributed to its antioxidant content, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which can reduce chronic inflammation that contributes to conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, the presence of natural compounds known as PHT halides in celery may promote relaxation of blood vessel walls, potentially lowering blood pressure. While the effects may not be as dramatic as some of the hype suggests, the juice's composition does indeed offer a range of benefits that could make a difference over time, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. It's essential to recognize that while scientific studies often highlight the benefits of individual nutrients or components found in celery, the specific effects of drinking celery juice as a daily habit still require more research. Some of the benefits may come from an overall increase in hydration, as celery juice is primarily water. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that accompany this hydration can support various bodily functions, yet the extent to which these benefits are unique to celery juice versus other nutrient-rich beverages is still debated among experts. Nonetheless, understanding the nutrients at play offers a foundation for appreciating why celery juice has become a popular health trend, even if its benefits aren't a magical cure-all. In addition to its nutritional benefits, celery juice possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of antioxidants and compounds like flavonoids helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic pain or inflammatory conditions, as it may contribute to improved overall well-being and comfort. Side effects or downsides. While celery juice has its fans, it's important to keep in mind that it isn't without potential downsides. For some, the juice's diuretic properties can lead to more frequent trips to the bathroom. This isn't necessarily harmful, but increased urination might be inconvenient, especially if you're not used to it. There's also the possibility of digestive issues for some individuals. The natural fibers and compounds in celery can cause bloating or mild stomach discomfort, particularly for those with sensitive digestive systems. While celery juice has its fans, it's important to keep in mind that it isn't without potential downsides. For some, the juice's diuretic properties can lead to more frequent trips to the bathroom. This isn't necessarily harmful, but increased urination might be inconvenient, especially if you're not used to it. There's also the possibility of digestive issues for some individuals. The natural fibers and compounds in celery can cause bloating or mild stomach discomfort, particularly for those with sensitive digestive systems. Personal stories or testimonials. Incorporating personal stories or testimonials can add a relatable and authentic touch to the discussion about celery juice. Hearing from individuals who have tried drinking it daily for 30 days brings a human element to the benefits and challenges. Some may share how it helped them feel more energized, improved their digestion, or contributed to clearer skin. These first-hand experiences can give a sense of what's possible beyond just the scientific claims. However, not all stories are purely positive. For others, the effects might have been minimal, or they may have encountered some discomfort, like digestive issues or simply not enjoying the taste. Including a range of perspectives gives a more balanced view, allowing the audience to see both the potential benefits and limitations. If you've tried celery juice yourself, sharing your own journey can add a personal touch and make the topic more engaging. It's not just about what the experts say, it's about real people's experiences and what they've learned along the way. When it comes to celery juice, there's a lot of buzz around its supposed miracle properties, with claims ranging from curing chronic illnesses to being a secret weapon for weight loss. While the juice does offer some health benefits, it's important to cut through the hype and take a more evidence-based look at what it can realistically achieve. Celery juice is not a cure-all. Its potential advantages, like supporting hydration or offering a mild anti-inflammatory effect, are helpful but not necessarily life-changing on their own. For managing serious health conditions, a comprehensive approach that includes diet, lifestyle changes, and medical treatment is essential. Another question worth considering is whether it's necessary to juice celery in the first place. Drinking the juice certainly makes it convenient to consume a larger amount, but eating the whole vegetable may offer additional benefits. When you eat celery as a whole food, you get the fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. In the juicing process, much of this fiber is left behind, so while celery juice can be a quick and refreshing way to get some nutrients, it's not necessarily superior to simply munching on a few stalks. The juice has its place, but it's good to remember that it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle when it comes to health. You can also check out my other video that talks about what instant noodles really do to your body. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell.